Well, hello out there. Here is another car repair video. This one on a BMW 530 that we sold a while back. We had a problem with the oil pressure warning light coming on occasionally, and I ended up replacing the oil pressure sensor, and that fixed the problem. Also, here is the headlights that I had to clean up. Didn't do the best job, but it's a lot better than it was. I was going to record this yesterday, but it was sunny, and I'm up here in Illinois. And on sunny days, we ride motorcycles, unlike in Texas, where hardly anybody rides. So here's a little video of that before we get started. Also, before I get started, here is the verse of the day from my YouVersion app. Psalm 46:10. He says, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress."
Hey guys, here's another correction video. I like to do this if I find another video online that has something that's a little different than what I have. I like to correct it so you can get the right information. This is a 2007 BMW 530. So it's got the 3-liter inline 6. And I was having the oil pressure sensor readout coming on and off occasionally. So just wanted to, I did an oil change on it, and that didn't take care of it. And I wanted to try out the oil pressure sensor. So here is the old one. So I went online and looked at where this was, and I found a video that talked about that it was you'd have to take off the air cleaner and get to it underneath the intake manifold there. That is not the case on this one. Again, this is a 2007 530. I think the other one said that the other video said all 3 liters were like that. But anyway, here's the sensor that I had to replace. It was like, I don't know, 10 bucks online. I didn't use a BMW aftermarket one. I used an aftermarket, not a BMW one. Odd thing is, this one, it is a BMW one, has a different thread, not different thread, but a different hex wrench that I had to use. So here is the placement. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, so here is the placement of the oil pressure sensor on the 2007 BMW 530. Right there, very easy to get to. Here's the oil filter that just screws off, and a different kind of oil filter than normal American cars. So this push, I don't know if you can see that clip, push that, pulls off one connector on this and push in, or one little, what do you call that? This only has one knife connector on it, as opposed to where'd it go? This is the water monitor right there. That has 2. I'll pull that off real quick just so you can see the difference. So don't try to put it in that one. So look for the one with the 1 connector on it, or 1 conductor. So anyway, this is the engine without the cover on it. So if you're going to do it yourself and you've never opened this up, it's very simple. Very simple. Just unscrew those. They're these type little screws, so that they don't unscrew all the way, and then just pull that off, get it out of the way, because otherwise it's gonna hit. So anyway, that's it. Hope that helps, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe in the lower right hand corner. Alright, well that's it. No more oil pressure light. I do have a gas light and a passenger restraint light. That to fix later. But this unfortunately doesn't have an oil pressure readout anywhere that I can find. Although it does have car data. Yeah, nothing in there. Onboard info, that's just consumption stuff.